Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the strip's cut point and polarity. This prevents reversed LEDs. Once done, gently peel back any silicone or adhesive, about 2 to 3 mm, to expose copper pads. Make sure the strip edge is square. Miscuts cause poor contact. Now align the L-shaped connector so its metal pins sit exactly on the copper pads. This alignment is critical because the pins transfer power and signal. Press the connector closed evenly until it clicks and the clip secures. You should now seat the strip into the connector channel and confirm a flush fit. Gaps mean unreliable contact. Next, close the hinge, either snap or crimp, applying even pressure along its length so all pins pierce simultaneously. If your L connection involves a 90 degrees fold, maintain gentle support on the corner until the clip locks to avoid twisting pads. For offset runs, add a short jumper wire to bridge spacing. This preserves continuity and reduces stress on the strip's copper traces. You finish by powering the run briefly to verify correct color, uniform brightness, and that no segments are dim or dead. Once verified, mount the strip and connector with firm adhesive or clips, being careful not to pinch the connector or bend the strip at the pins. If a section doesn't light, turn power off and recheck polarity and that each metal pin contacts its copper pad. Reseat or replace the connector if pins are bent. That single troubleshooting check fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.